Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a closer look at a kitchen appliance that proves size is not everything when it comes to flavor. This is the Bella 1.5 quart slow cooker. If you are tired of dragging out a massive crock pot just to make a small side dish or a meal for two, this might be the exact solution you have been looking for. Let us start with the design. This unit comes in several charming colors, and today I have it in the blossom finish. It looks fantastic on a countertop and certainly avoids that sterile, industrial appliance look. It is compact, lightweight, and features cool touch handles, which is a major plus for safety when moving the unit around your kitchen. Moving into the features, the standout here is the ever-good ceramic non-stick coating. In a world where we are increasingly conscious of what goes into our food, it is great to see that this surface is free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. Beyond the health benefits, the non-stick aspect is a game-changer for cleaning. We all know the struggle of scrubbing dried sauce off the sides of a stoneware pot, but with this coating, cleanup is genuinely effortless. Plus, both the pot and the tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time at the end of the day. The controls are simple and manual. You get 3 settings which are low, high, and warm. It is not trying to reinvent the wheel with complex digital timers or Bluetooth connectivity, and honestly, for a 1.5 quart cooker, you do not need that. It is designed for simplicity, whether you are keeping a queso dip warm for a party, melting chocolate for a fondue, or simmering a hearty stew for an intimate dinner. Now let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality feels solid for the price point. The cord wrap feature is a small touch that I really appreciate because it keeps the storage area organized and clutter-free. The non-skid feet also keep it stable, which is important for a smaller, lighter appliance. On the potential downside, the capacity is definitely limited to smaller portions. Do not expect to cook a whole roast in here. This is built for appetizers, dips, or meals for 1 or 2 people. If you are trying to feed a large family, this will be far too small. Additionally, the manual control means you need to be nearby to switch it off, as there is no automatic shut-off timer. In conclusion, the Bella 1.5 quart slow cooker is a specialized tool that excels at what it sets out to do. It is perfect for couples, students, or anyone who enjoys hosting and needs a dedicated vessel for dips and appetizers. It is stylish, safe, and incredibly easy to clean. If you are looking for a reliable, compact, and aesthetic slow cooker to add to your collection, this is a fantastic choice. Link in the description.